Welcome back to another video. Hi guys, tomorrow's Halloween. Happy Halloween to you all. Yes, don't mind the clothes. I'm in pajamas. It's like 3 in the morning here and I wanted to do a quick video. And as you can tell from the title, there will be a reaction following this unboxing. I have a box here. So let's begin. I'm gonna try to be quiet about this because I don't want to wake up my grandma. She's sleeping. All right. So here's the box. Hope that you guys can see that. Trying to show it to you guys. Shield things here. All right. So let's open it. I'm gonna pull this away so you guys don't see the shipping label. So before I open this, I just want to say that I ordered this box about a week ago, and literally a week ago, and it came Monday, and I've been exercising self-control because tomorrow is Halloween and I wanted to have something to enjoy. So you can probably already just guess by what I just said what's in the box. But anyway, here we go. We're gonna finish. Oh crap, there's more tape. I just packed these boxes so well. There's one side. It's like candy. Okay. Which is the Werther's original. Here's the Reese cups. And then this is the 2-pound Hershey's the 2-pound Hershey's Reese cups mix bag. Hope that you guys can see that okay. But now on to the reaction. Okay, so I am back officially, and let's talk about General Hospital. Yesterday, October 29th, 2020. Let's start with Franco. That nightmare that he had at the beginning creeped me out. And I'm seeing everyone in the General Hospital Facebook group saying that he might have a brain tumor again. His brain tumor might be back. But really, it seems that he might have brain cancer, which makes me so sad because I really love Franco. First of all, I really hope that they're not going to kill him off or that he's leaving the show. And I just hope that him and Liz and the boys can get through this. I really hope he's not going to die. Second of all, Taggart and Julian. Now I think they didn't scrapped before. when that whole thing with Nell happened, when she was going to take the baby. Oh, Lord. Anyway, I knew that Taggart was watching um, Trina just by the difference in sound during the show. But the fallout from when the fallout for when he actually is able to come back into Port Charles alive, like people can actually see him, like Trina and Portia and all them. It's gonna be a big mess. It's gonna be a big fallout. Jordan, Curtis, they all gonna be in some shit. But speaking of Trina, the whole drama between Cam, Trina, and Jocelyn. First of all, Dev, he is really just fucking up. Like, you know, don't be reading people's personal diary entries. Who do you think you are? And just because you like Joss doesn't mean that she feels the same about you. It's obvious that she likes Cameron. I feel like Joss and Cam should just talk alone. And this whole thing about Cameron wanting no commitments, I think he really likes Jocelyn. No matter what him and Trina have been through. Cam and Joss have been friends for so long that I feel like they should, you know, try and see where things go. I'm glad that Elizabeth and Franco told Nicholas and Ava what they did, because I just feel like the whole thing's a mess. Like, Nicholas and Ava was trying to push Franco and Elizabeth to break up, and it's just a bunch of crap. Like, y'all acting like childish teenagers. But they wanted them to cheat on each other, or they were trying to put each other against each other so that they can divorce. You know, like, it's just a bunch of crap. It's ridiculous, but okay. I was hoping we was gonna see Nell today, but thank God we didn't. Sasha, oh my gosh, they got her so messed up. I love Nosy Carly, I do. I love how she's trying to wonder like what's going on with Sasha. And Sasha was so high that she told Cyrus about their involvement with Michael and Willow and Wiley. Oh Lord, I just feel like eventually all this is gonna come out, and I think Michael and Willow are gonna eventually tell each other that they have feelings for each other and fall in love. They already are in love. I just feel like they just need to tell each other how they feel, you know? So, I'm trying to think if that's it for this. Oh, Portia and Terry. I'm so worried about Franco. And I know it's just a soap opera. I know, but I'm so worried about him. He's worked to change his life. You know, he's gotten the help that he needed. He's has a family now with Elizabeth and the boys, and everything's great. But this cancer diagnosis or the brain tumor coming back could definitely change things, and I'm worried. I am. So, I think that was it for this episode. Cyrus makes me sick, but we won't go into him. Oh, and Sasha took them drugs. That man walked up to her and gave them to her. Like, what the? Y'all. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad for Sasha, but I hope Carly and maybe even Sunny. I don't really want them to tell Michael, but I think that they should tell him so that they can get her some help. especially with Cyrus. Yeah, they need to get that girl some help. Because if she messing with Cyrus and she took them drugs from him too, she gonna be dead. So they need to tell Michael before it's too late. But I have a feeling tomorrow, Nell is coming back. Nell is coming back. Oh, sorry, I'm missing out. Anna, we all know that that is not her son. That's Alex's son. And by the preview, it looks like I'm right, and everybody else is right too. Because of her reaction, she threw a glass, y'all. She is pissed. So, and then this whole Maxie and Peter thing, Spinelli trying to play nice. I just feel like Maxie is gonna be so hurt because she was really in love with Nathan. Nathan died because of Peter. And she was hurt when she found out that Peter wasn't who he said he was. And she's going to be even more hurt when it comes to light that Peter is still a bad man. I feel so bad for Maxie. And then we see Peter get a call from Helena, the woman who was supposed to be dead. Oh, Lord, y'all. I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm so stoked. I am so happy. I'm so ready for tomorrow. I really hope we see Nell because I feel like Carly needs some closure, or she need to see that little heart-shaped thing that Avery has. But Nina has one too, so maybe if she sees that, it might jog her memory. Regardless, thanks for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed the unboxing. I'm about to tuck into a little bit more of this candy. It's 4 in the morning and then I'm going to sleep. I love each and every one of you. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends. If you know any other GH watchers, please share with them. Hopefully I can get some new subscribers, some more likes and comments, especially on my GH videos. I haven't done a GH video in 2 years, so I honestly hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all soon. Happy Halloween, and don't eat too much candy, and also keep watching for the crazy tricks and treats and hopefully drama that's going to happen with GH. Love you all. Ta-ta.